y'all? Bringing y'all on Today with Me. I got an interview later on. Well, what time is it? At 12. It's 10:36. And I'm currently here at the car wash. So I just left the park. I didn't really film myself at the park for real. I got like a little clip of me being at the park. Okay. Alright. Yeah, you know you gotta put your neutral. Okay, neutral. Yep. Yes, y'all. So I'm here at the car wash. So I'm about to show y'all me at the car wash. Alright guys, so here you guys see me on my way to the mall. After I washed my car, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I did know I needed to get an anniversary gift for my boyfriend. So I headed to the mall. I actually didn't go into the mall. I went into Hobby Lobby, but I didn't even get anything out of there. But y'all about to see me on my way to Hobby Lobby.